They're inevitable really, no matter how much we want to avoid them. Accidents are something that shouldn't happen but instead seem to take place more often than not. The road is a dangerous place and a place which we frequent almost daily. So it could happen to us. Let's hope not, but as they say, hope for the best and prepare for the worst, so if the worst does come to pass you know how to handle the situation. After an accident, depending on the damages you may have to get your car towed, and for the purpose of this article, we're assuming that after the accident, your car needed towing. How will you get your car towed? And who is going to cover the towing expenses? Will it be you or your insurance company? These are some essential questions which will run through your head in a situation like this, and the following paragraphs list what you need to know. Firstly, depending on the accident, you cannot immediately ascertain which party will take the blame for the accident. Of course, sometimes it's clear enough, but mostly people haggle, and hence you won't know if it'll be the other party's insurance company or yours which will be covering the cost of the expenses. Again, we'll assume that it will be your auto insurance company which will cover the expenses, and these will be whatever your particular company's policy covers for towing. In all likelihood, as is the norm with most companies, they will pay reasonable costs within a reasonable towing distance. That is, if you're within your own state, the insurance company would cover most of the towing expenses, but if your car breaks down, say a couple of states over, or in any other state, then most of the money would be coming out of your own pocket. It is essential that you talk to your insurance company and their policies on towing, so that you're informed beforehand. After the accident, it's best to call your company and ask them their preferred towing company. This will save haggles later on. If you're in your local area, then use a local trusted towing service. If you don't mention the towing bit to your insurance company, in this scenario either you'll get towed by a random tow service, who look out for such incidents on their police scanners, or one that is working with the police. Of course, your company might not cover such expenses. Lastly, another point to take note is that some insurance companies also offer the services of optional towing as well as roadside assistance of labor, which covers flat tires repair, towing and battery problems. Usually this only incurs a small amount of additional charge. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.